First, we create a rectangular box. In its parameters, we set the following dimensions. Length, 100 meter, width, 40 millimeter, height, 10 millimeter. This will be the base of our part. Then we create a second box with the same dimensions, changing only the height to 20 millimeter. The other parameters remain the same. This element will be used to form the overall shape of the frame. Next, we move on to creating the bolt holes. For accurate positioning, we first determine the center of the part. Since the distance between the bolts must be 80 meter, we offset 10 mm to each side from the center. After that, we create a cylinder with the following parameters. Diameter, height, 10 mm. This cylinder will form the hole in the lower part of the component. Then we create another cylinder with the same diameter, but increase the height to 20 mm so that the hole passes through the taller element. The cylinders are combined with the boxes using a subtraction operation, resulting in clean through holes for the bolts. After that, we create another rectangular box with the following dimensions. Length, 50 mm, width, 40 mm, height, 20 mm. We place this box on top of the main body, strictly centered. Next, we assign the required colors to the eye, parts for clarity and perform grouping, so that the body is treated as a single solid element. If necessary, we recolor the lower part. We move the larger box onto the surface of the other box. At this stage, the main component is fully completed. Now we proceed to modeling the bolt. First, we create a cylinder that will serve as the bolt shank. Diameter, 1 meter, height, 40 mm. Next, we form the bolt head. For this, we use a polygon with the following parameters. Number of sides, 6, radius 7 mm. Using the extrude command, we raise this element to a height of 5 millimeters, forming a hexagonal head. We position it correctly relative to the bolt shank. Then we create an additional element for the upper part of the bolt. We take a cylinder and set the following parameters. Diameter, height, 1.6 meter. We place it on the top of the bolt and check that all elements are aligned at the center. After that, we use the polygon again with the same parameters, but change the height to 4 millimeter. We find the center of the part and place this element at the very top of the bolt. When all the bolt elements are created and correctly positioned, we group them into a single object to make the bolt easier to move and copy. Finally, we duplicate the completed bolt and place it into the second hole of the body.